In today's video, we're going to give you 5 top positions that you must know about because they will make sure you can get a 6-figure salary. We're going to talk about 5 positions that's going to give you 6 figures, but also going to give you job security for the future.
Absolutely.
And I'm excited to talk about that, Dr. C, because these top 5 positions seem common,
Right.
but at the end of the day, many people don't know about them and then know to go after them.
Yeah, I think these are the types of careers like people just don't know about because it flies under their radar. It's not common, but it can be achievable if they just take a look and kind of search for these unique attributes.
Absolutely. So we're going to drop you 5 dimes that's really going to help you get ready for your next career. So before we start, we want you to make sure you subscribe,
Comment,
like,
and ring that notification bell.
absolutely, because we're going to drop that hot content. So make sure you do that and make sure that you take notes. And if these positions aren't for you, make sure you share this video with someone that you think will be interested because it may be for them.
Yeah.
Yep.
If you are looking at this channel, it's probably because there's something about what you're listening to that rings true. And so this conversation is a good one for people who are looking to change in their current situation, are looking to switch up what they've been doing from their day-to-day job. It's just an exciting time in 2024 to look at new options.
Absolutely. And we always talk about being comfortable with being uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So if you don't like your job or you feel like you're in a dead end, make sure you stay tuned to this video because we're going to give you jobs that not only are not dead end, but that's going to give you so much potential growth and is going to match the salary that you probably are looking for.
Yep, that's very important. Salary is important, and also a skill that's not going to get outdated anytime soon. It's going to keep you in the market for a long time.
And we got videos on our channel that talks about jobs that's going to be a dead end. Make sure you tune in and subscribe. Go to our page and look at that content because let me tell you, if you are in those jobs, you need to start searching for a new one. Without further ado, we're going to start with number 5.
Let's go. Now, this is an interesting one. This is just number 5. So I can't imagine what number 1 is going to be.
Yep.
So number 5 is a sustainability analyst.
Absolutely. So, we're getting more environmentally conscious.
Yes.
More social conscious, more sustainable conscience, right? And so we're doing all these things to preserve our society, but also our habitat, our earth. And so there's going to be a ton of opportunities in sustainability, whether that's water, whether that's electrical grid, whether that's gas and oil, whether that's air pollution. All those type of jobs are going to be available in the future. So make sure if you're interested in that, definitely go and see about opportunities so you can get qualified now because there's going to be abundance of opportunity in the future.
Yeah, I like this one. It gives an opportunity for the employee and the employer to actually connect with the environment, if you will. Social responsibility. Social responsibility has been used a lot in the past, but now there are careers that are situated around social responsibility and environmental protection. So it gives opportunities for all of us to say, okay, I can work and align my values with my career.
2 birds with 1 stone.
Man, I can just do the work and I can feel good about it.
Absolutely. So that's number 5.
Yep.
Now we're going to hit you with number 4.
Yes, directors of revenue and operations.
Oh, so this is great. So when we graduated college, I was a finance major.
I was an accounting major.
And we took those jobs because we knew and we were taught that no matter what, you were going to be able to get
a job.
And so guess what? We got those degrees.
We got some jobs.
And we got those jobs. And we can get those jobs now, right? But for you, if you're interested in finance, accounting, revenue, those jobs will be in abundance. There's a lot of people that get bored with those jobs, but more importantly, there's more people that need qualified people that's going to look at those revenues and look at those numbers. So it's a great opportunity.
It is a great opportunity. And I don't necessarily agree that it can always be boring. I think there's, but there's ways or creative ways of thinking when it comes to accounting. You'd be surprised. Don't just go into accounting in a certain industry. try to do accounting in an industry that you are attracted to.
Yeah.
Try to do it in farming if you like farms. Culinary institute, maybe go to a culinary school and try to be tech, whatever. Try to keep it interesting and also be an accountant and be good at it.
Yeah.
So
but if you're interested in those numbers,
yes,
right, director of revenue operations,
yep,
or even any accounting field will be something that you want to consider. So think about that.
So the next one, number three, environmental health safety managers.
Oh my goodness. So in every environment, whether I work on a stock floor or whether I work in the aisle of Walmart, right? Mm-hmm. Whether I'm working at an office space with chairs, you will always need a health and safety coordinator,
absolutely,
right? A health and safety manager, a health and safety supervisor. That's for any employment in the world. And even as we move to a tech and robotic future, you will need to have safety and health standards for all those activities. There will be an abundance of jobs coming open in that
think
field.
It's always been in demand. I mean,
absolutely.
Again, we talk about us being in finance and in accounting where we sit at our desk all day. But every time I applied to a job or I, actually signed my employee contract, I had to say, I'm okay with lifting 25 pounds.
Yeah.
I was like, why am I signing this? Like, why am I okay? I'm just sitting at my desk. But that is a health and safety concern.
Absolutely. And at my past employer, I was looking for a health and safety manager to oversee some work, paying $150,000, $160,000 a year. We got 2 applicants.
Oh, wow.
One was qualified, one wasn't. So we really only had one person to pick from for a $160,000 job. So if you're looking to get well into the 6 figures, go into that, because in certain settings, it's going to be well above 200,000. That is a job that pays a lot of money that you can do easily.
And probably because no one knows about it. That's why it's there's still a high demand for it.
Absolutely. So what is number 2, Dr. C?
Government program analysts.
Oh my goodness.
That's exciting.
Do more with less.
Yes.
Make sure that your tax dollars is spent as efficiently
that's amazing.
as possible.
Yes.
So what they're going to be doing is getting governments more slim and trim and more efficient. And so they're going to need program analysts to make that happen for them. There's going to be an abundance of jobs dealing with program analysts at the government level. And those are a lot of opportunities for you.
Yes.
And for you to make not only a great salary, but have good benefits and retirement benefits as well.
Oh, that's always wonderful.
Absolutely.
But I think if anybody like us have worked in the government sector, the main goal is to do more with limited resources. So being a government program analyst is essential, and it's a very attractive way to go in 2024.
And it's a public service. So
yes,
you are a public servant doing a public service, so you can feel really good about connecting to those communities, spending those dollars wisely, and making sure you're as efficient.
Very rewarding. Like,
absolutely.
Like the first one we mentioned, the sustainability analyst.
It's doing the good work.
Absolutely.
All right. So you've been waiting for this, but before we go to number 1, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit a comment and let us know what you think. We care about what you think, but more importantly, it allows us to get out there in the algorithm and get our content seen by more people. So help us out as we give you this great content.
Yes, we love our channel. We love sharing resources. We like receiving resources also because it benefits all of us, and we're a community of sharing knowledge with everyone, so we all can benefit.
Absolutely. So Dr. C, hit us with number 1.
Chief Growth Officer.
Oh my goodness. So what is a Chief Growth Officer?
Yes.
Basically, it is somebody in a company whose job is to expand the business.
Amazing.
Make sure the sales are growing. Make sure their products are growing. Make sure you have a strategy for doing these things. And each company, whether it's small, medium, or large, is going to need someone to think about how they can continue to grow their opportunities.
Yes.
And grow their profits.
Yes, it's so important. If you can go into your start out of your beginning of your career and you can say, I am looking to be this at the end of my college years or my end of my certifications. I want to be a chief growth officer. Yeah. So you know your path. So get in as soon as you can. If you have the opportunity to transition to it and it's more interesting to you, and 2024 is it, change over, switch over. Yeah. Look for what you can do to promote yourself or move vertically into this position, because this is an exciting opportunity to do something different and exciting and move the needle in a different direction.
Absolutely. So if you're looking for a transition or you're looking to develop a career, these things are for you.
Yes.
So if you like this content and you want more content like this, let us know in the comment section. But more importantly, we want to thank you for watching this video.
Thank you so much.
I want you to like,
comment,
subscribe,
and hit that notification bell.
Yep, and we'll give you more and more content. I'm Dr. J.
I'm Dr. C.
And thank you for watching
Two Doc Minds.